morning, Steve Reed with the morning grain comments. Markets are a little bit lower. Beans down about 2 cents at 11.35. March corn down a penny at 4.46, and March Chicago wheat down 3 cents at 5.35. In the other markets, stocks are lower, dollars lower, crude's higher, gold, silver, and copper are all higher. And Bitcoin is sharp lower after China announced they were going to try to crack down on speculative trading of cyber markets, and that's why Bitcoin is lower. That has also maybe leaked into some of the stocks, and that's why the stock market is lower. Again, the trade expects the Fed to lower rates 25 basis points. It's not a given because inflation is still above their target. It looked like the Black Friday sales were better than last year, but the amount of sales per unit is down from last year. So it looks like shoppers were very diligent in what they bought and how much they spent for it. We also note that in South America, rains in Argentina were better than expected. These rains will move into southern Brazil, but amounts might be less than what southern Brazil needs. Northern Brazil saw good rains. The next rain event for Argentina is Monday, and that will leak into southern Brazil mid next week. As far as the U.S. is concerned, in Chicago, we were dumped with anywhere from 10 to 12 inches of snow. That was also across parts of the north central Midwest, probably adding to logistic problems, stressing livestock. Temperatures are cold and should remain cold for much of the month of December. And so we'll see how this affects movement of grain, also stress on livestock. So a little bit lower tone as we trade the first day of December, and we'll be watching key news on the Supreme Court concerning tariffs, Trump tariffs. We'll also be watching pretty closely what goes on in the Black Sea as far as war and potential peace talks.